Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kriti. So today we'll be talking all about productivity. How planners can be used to make your life more productive. So let's get started. The tips and tricks that I'll be sharing here are based on my personal experience. Well, I started planning my day using a proper planner is in 2018. So this is everything which I have gained over a period of 3-4 years that I'll be discussing with you. So it was in 2018 that I wanted to plan my day, really organize my schedule. So I decided that I should get a planner for myself, but I didn't go for those planners which are available on Amazon, Flipkart, because I wasn't sure whether I will be able to keep up with my routine, whether I'll be using planners or whether my money will go down the drain. So this is why I decided that I should go and check some free printables if they are available on internet. And to my luck, I was able to find that on a website that I'll be linking down below. So what you have to do there is to just go there on the website, subscribe to it. You'll get a username and password, and a whole library of free printables will be available to you. And then there is planner, yearly planner. It is updated every year, so that is quite well for you if you are a beginner, just like I was in 2018. You can print that on A4 pages or just some colorful pages, as I did, because colors really help, guys, really help. So some colorful pages like these, and get yourself a free planner just by printing it out. So I planned my day every day. It was all the tasks I had to get completed. I wrote them. The next day I checked them whether I was able to complete the previous day tasks, and before writing my day's tasks. So this was how I was keeping up every day with my tasks, and I realized that by end of a year I was able to achieve my targets, my goals, which I was not able to complete before that. Because by having a planner and writing your tasks, and those tasks lying in front of you every day really helps, guys. Those written words push you to break your limits and work hard. So this is what happened, and I used that printable form of planner till 2021. In the mid, like in May, I thought I must get myself a formal planner, which I did from Amazon, and I got myself this planner that's called Dream, Believe and Achieve, and that's by Laurent Blanc. It costed me around 300 to 400. It was on off, I think so. So I got myself this. This is an undated planner. I didn't want to get updated planner because there are days when you are not feeling motivated enough to do tasks, to have to. For people like that, like me, undated works, because the days when you are not working. So in an undated one, you really feel the next day, you really feel that stress, that anxiety that you didn't work that day. But guys, that's okay. We all need to relax and recreation. So I think dated planner put a pressure on you in some way, but an undated one keeps you organized without the pressure. So this worked well for me. So that is why I got myself an undated planner. So whenever I'm feeling productive, I plan my day and make sure to complete my goals of the day. So this planner, apart from the hourly division of the day, which is usually what we get in a planner, we have a column for affirmations, I'm grateful for, goals, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and there is some space for notes and doodles and today's learning. And lastly, there is also a marker out of 10 where you can mark yourself whether you were able to achieve all the goals that you have set yourself for the day. Then you mark yourself 10 out of 10, and if it's only 50% of tasks that you were able to complete, then of course you have to mark yourself 5 out of 10. So the importance of planners, as I see, is that the next day when you are planning your day, the tasks that you were not able to complete the previous day, so the next day you make sure to work even harder, to like put in extra work, extra hours to complete the day's task, as well as to complete those tasks which were not completed by you the previous day, and make sure to complete those tasks, otherwise the backlog will become unmanageable and it will be very difficult at the end of the month to manage things out, and that will be very bad for your mental health. Yes guys, I'm telling you from my personal experience, that can be really bad. So don't delay your work. Give yourself one a day free day, not more than. Let me just give you a demo of how I plan my day. I'm grateful for many things. So nextly are the affirmations. So next comes goals, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Good habits to adopt and bad habits to leave. Well, I'll come back to it later. So let me just plan my day. I'll use a different color for that. So that's what the day looks like. Since notes and doodles are left empty, and as I progress through the day, I'll scribble some things out there, and at the end of the day I'll put the productivity score depending upon my tasks that I have completed. So I hope you find this video useful, and I really hope that after watching this video you go and get yourself a free printable planner. Start planning your day. The best way to actually reform your life, to transform your life, is to actually start doing the tasks or start implementing the strategies that you watch on videos. I really hope this video will help each of you in planning and organize your day well. The sole purpose for creating this video was to give you all that knowledge which I have acquired over 3-4 years to you all in just 10 to 15 minutes. I really hope that when I started out, I had a video like this which guided me step by step so as to how to start planning when you are just a beginner. The fancy planners look amazing, but the key lies when we actually start implementing it, writing the planner and completing the tasks and goals which we have marked. I hope guys you liked the video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, hit the bell button, like it, spread the word. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.